Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone, if your PS5 L2 trigger is acting up, feeling mushy, or just not responding properly, you're definitely not alone. It's a really common problem that can totally ruin your gaming experience, especially in those intense gaming moments. But don't worry, we're here to help. Stick around because we're going to show you the most effective and truly the only reliable way to get that L2 button working perfectly again, ensuring your game time stays smooth and enjoyable. So, why does your L2 button suddenly stop working as it should? Well, the main culprit is usually a tiny internal rubber pad or a specific plastic mechanism that wears out. With hundreds, sometimes thousands of presses, these parts just naturally degrade over time. This wear leads to that frustrating feeling of lost resistance or even the button not registering at all, which can be super annoying during gameplay. Now, let's talk about the actual fix. Honestly, the only truly reliable and long-lasting way to repair a faulty L2 button is to replace the specific internal component that's causing the problem. We're talking about a small, specialized part, typically a worn-out rubber contact pad or a damaged plastic spring. Trying to clean it, or just wiggling it around, usually only offers a temporary fix, if anything, so proper replacement is key. Ready to fix it yourself? You'll need a very small precision screwdriver set, and crucially, the correct replacement L2 button component. Begin by carefully opening your PS5 controller, making sure to consult a detailed online guide or video, as there are tiny screws and delicate ribbons inside. Once open, gently remove the faulty part and install your new one. Then, carefully reassemble everything, ensuring all connections are secure, and test your refreshed L2 button. Once your L2 button is working perfectly again, you might wonder how to prevent future issues. Try to avoid pressing your buttons with excessive force, even during those intense gaming moments. Also, keeping your gaming area and controller clean can help prevent any debris from entering and affecting the mechanics inside. With this definitive fix, your L2 button should now feel perfectly responsive and reliable, letting you enjoy your games without any frustrating interruptions for a long time to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.